Hey everyone, it's Chase Fraser with eXp Realty. I'm here at Fidelity National Title. Carrie Turner is hosting a class with Anthony Prichard on how to be better at marketing yourself with video. If you take a look around, you're going to see a lot of people wandering and speaking to their smartphones, all getting a little more practice in how to reach more people as a listing agent via video. Me personally, video has always scared me a little bit, but this class is really enlightening and helping me understand best practices to do so. Look, we got another one there. There he goes, trying to figure out how to do it. We're all out here being kind of vulnerable, having fun with it. Really, there's a lot of good tactics and ways to learn, and nothing better than to get out and do it, be around other people who are willing to fail forward, try things out. If this is something you think you could benefit from, which really everyone can, then I would recommend doing it. One more time, another lady who's out trying it, and more so. So we're all out here having a good time. Come on and join us.